a comprehensive guide to building risk-based internal audit plan. Traditional risk-based audit planning have been conducted in a rather random fashion, with auditors chasing risks based on gut feeling or past experiences. This approach, while well-intentioned, can be ineffective, leaving critical areas vulnerable and failing to address the evolving risks. Unlike their traditional methods, risk-based plans don't waste time on generic checklists.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Instead, they focus on the specific risks that hold an impact to your organization's objectives. This targeted approach improves efficiency, delivers insights, and prioritizes resources that make informed decisions. But how exactly do risk-based audit plans change the game? Identify and prioritize critical risks by analyzing your organization's objectives, operations, and external environment. You can pinpoint the risks that pose the greatest threat to achieving your goals. Allocate resources strategically. No longer limited by a rigid audit plan, you can direct your valuable resources towards addressing the most pressing risks, ensuring maximum impact. Gain deeper insights beyond surface-level observations. Risk-based auditing encourages a deeper analysis of underlying causes and potential consequences, leading to more informed decision-making. Foster a culture of risk awareness. By proactively addressing risks and promoting a risk-conscious culture, you can create a more resilient and adaptable organization. In short, risk-based auditing isn't just a change in approach, it's a transformation in the way you manage your organization's risk profile. Essential tools for building your internal audit plan. Just like any complex project, you need the right tools in your arsenal to achieve success. These tools help secure your resources against risk. Each one plays a specific role in helping you identify, assess, and mitigate potential threats. Here are some essential tools to empower your audit plan. 1. Risk identification tools. Risk assessment frameworks. Frameworks like COSO ERM and ISO 31000 provide structured methodologies for identifying and evaluating risks across your organization. Data analysis tools. Leveraging data analytics software can help you uncover hidden patterns and trends, leading to the identification of previously unknown risks. Process mapping and flowcharts. Visually mapping your organization's processes can help you pinpoint potential vulnerabilities and control weaknesses. 2. Risk assessment tools. Risk matrices. These matrices help you evaluate the likelihood and impact of identified risks, allowing you to prioritize your efforts. Qualitative and quantitative risk assessment techniques. Combining qualitative methods, such as expert judgment, with quantitative methods, such as historical data analysis, provides a more comprehensive understanding of risk. 3. Audit planning tools. Audit planning templates. Templates can provide a helpful starting point for structuring your audit plan and ensuring you don't miss any critical steps. Audit management software. Specialized software can streamline your audit process, automate workflows, and improve collaboration among team members. 4. Risk mitigation tools. Control matrices. These matrices help you identify, assess, and implement controls to mitigate identified risks. Action plan templates. Templates can help you structure and track your risk mitigation activities, ensuring they're implemented effectively. Communication templates. Effective communication is crucial for gaining buy-in from stakeholders and ensuring successful implementation of risk mitigation strategies. Remember, these are just some of the many tools available. The specific tools you choose will depend on your organization's size and risk profile. The future of risk-based auditing. The world of risk is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements, changing regulations, and emerging threats. As such, the field of risk-based auditing must also adapt and evolve to remain effective. Here are some key trends shaping the future of risk-based auditing. 1. Artificial intelligence and automation. AI and automation are increasingly being used to streamline audit processes, analyze vast amounts of data, and identify hidden patterns and risks. This allows auditors to focus on more complex and strategic tasks, improving efficiency and effectiveness. 2. Continuous auditing and monitoring. With technological advancements, continuous auditing and monitoring are becoming increasingly feasible and valuable. This allows for real-time insights into risk levels and control effectiveness, enabling proactive risk mitigation and faster response times to emerging threats. 3. Big data analytics. Leveraging big data analytics can provide auditors with deeper insights into risk trends and correlations. By analyzing vast datasets, auditors can identify previously unknown risks and prioritize audit activities based on their potential impact. 4. Cloud-based audit platforms. Cloud-based audit platforms offer greater flexibility, scalability, and accessibility for auditors. They also facilitate collaboration among team members and enable remote access to audit data, regardless of location. By staying informed about these trends and actively adopting new technologies and methodologies, you can ensure your risk-based audit program remains relevant, effective, and future-proof.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.